E now. Okay, so again, whenever you read through these problems, you're looking for a number to start with. So what speed in meters per second is 72.4 miles per hour. And then you have a conversion factor that you'll use later. So 72.4 miles on the top. And this is a little different because it's per hour. Okay, so if you've never heard that before, that per means divided by 1 hour. Okay, so you can write a 1 here too. But we need to start a conversion. Okay, so we need to get from miles basically into meters and hours into seconds. Okay, so we need to go miles to meters and hours seconds. We can do either one first, it does not matter. Okay, so I'll just keep doing what we've been talking about. So the one at the top is going to drive what you write on the bottom. Okay, so we've got miles here. Okay, and we need to get that eventually into meters. Okay, so if we look at a mile, the easiest thing that we can relate that to is feet that we're familiar with. So 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Okay, so if we use that conversion, miles can now cancel. And then we know whatever's on the top is going to come down, so feet. We can go from 1 foot into inches, because if you look at this conversion up here, we can get there eventually. So 1 foot is 12 inches, as you know. And then now we're going to use, again, whatever's on the top to come down is inches. But we can get from inches to meters using this conversion up here. So looking at this number, we have 1 and 39. Okay, so now we're in meters, okay, on the top, which is good because we need meters here. But now we need to do the hours to seconds conversion. Okay, so on the bottom, we want this hours to cancel. So something a little different. So I'm going to write hours on the top instead. Okay, so that they can cancel here. 1 hour we can relate to minutes. Okay, so 1 hour is 60 minutes. Then I can go from minutes to seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. Now my minutes cancel. Now I'm left with unit-wise meters per second, which is good because that's what the question's asking us. So you go ahead and you take 72.4 times 5,280 times 12. Ones don't really matter. Okay. Divided by, on your calculator again, put parentheses around 39 times 60 times 60. When you go ahead and calculate that out, you should get 32.67 about meters per second.